All persons having anything to do before the Honorable, the Justices of the Supreme Judicial Court, now sitting at Boston, within and for the Commonwealth.
In 1968, I had a scholarship to come to Harvard from South Africa to do a PhD in art history. And then suddenly I ended up studying law. That, in some ways, was a stroke of luck from my point of view. What is it about law that I love so much? One way to describe it is what I am not. I'm not an artist, and I'm not a scientist. If you give me a blank piece of paper or say, go and discover something, I don't know what to do. If you give me a set of rules, like chess, and say, be as creative as you can within this set of rules, that is where my comfort zone is. I was on the Supreme Judicial Court for about 14 years. I was nominated and confirmed as an Associate Justice in 1996. I was very surprised to be appointed. I can remember it as if it were yesterday, and I was not prepared to receive a call at 7:30 in the morning from Governor Weld. What's going through my head is how very nice of the governor to call me to tell me who he's going to appoint, not me. And he said, and I'm going to nominate you. Did I feel an additional weight on my shoulders as the first woman Chief Justice? Yes, yes, yes. You have a feeling that if you fail, all women are failing.
In other words, he is not asking for a reasonable accommodation.
I probably wrote over 300 opinions, and from my point of view, every case was significant. And when you're a judge, you have to learn that discipline, that the next case is just as important, and you work just as hard to get it right.